Let's get to our Datasphere tenant and browse to the data builder. I want to show you the simple view we have designed. So we select the data builder here on the left hand side menu, open the space where we are working for this prototype, and open up the view we exposed. This view will provide the app with the data of smart bins available for collection, and it's exposed as an OData entity not only to SAC but also to other clients, in our case our waste management app. Here we can see the measure and attributes that will be our OData entity properties later. Okay, now how do we consume it? Simple. We browse to the SAP Business Accelerator Hub and have a look at the SAP Datasphere API's documentation, where we will find the consumption relational one, which returns data from a specific dataset in a given Datasphere space in a row-by-row fashion, which is exactly what we need to bind to our UI in the build app prototype. To mitigate CORS-related challenges while connecting SAP Build apps to our Datasphere view, let's navigate to the System Administration menu here. In the App Integration tab, we add the SAP Build origin as a trusted source to ensure seamless access. In the SAP Build app, we open our project, and here is where we want to list our data coming from the Datasphere view. To bind the Datasphere view to our UI, we need to register the OData integration here, and we called it Waste Transaction View. We use the base URL as documented in the Business Accelerator Hub with the proper authentication type. Back to the UI canvas, we switch to the Variables view and select Data Variables in the left-hand side menu. We added OData integration as a data variable here so we can consume it in the UI. Back to the canvas again, we see each field is binded to a specific OData entity property, like the name of the facility and the date that the smart bin has been released, its waste type, greenhouse gas emissions value, and weight.